The ketogenic diet is one of the most popular diets out there today. It has many purported benefits, including weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and reduced inflammation. But it's not without its risks. In this video, we will discuss the benefits and risks of the ketogenic diet so that you can decide whether or not it's right for you. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate-protein, low-carbohydrate diet. When you consume a meal, your body converts it into glucose, which is used by your cells for energy. When there is not enough glucose available, your body enters ketosis and begins burning fat for energy. Ketosis is a natural process that occurs when the body is deprived of glucose. In order to stay alive, the body will begin to burn fat and produce ketones. Ketones are an alternative source of fuel for the body, and they can be used by the brain, heart, and other organs. This process of burning fat for energy is what leads to rapid fat loss on a ketogenic diet. A ketogenic diet is very effective for losing weight because it reduces appetite and increases satiety. When you eat a high-fat meal, your body releases hormones that signal fullness. These hormones are called leptin and ghrelin. Leptin tells your brain that you're full and satisfied, while ghrelin tells your brain that you're hungry. A high-fat meal increases leptin levels and decreases ghrelin levels, which means you'll feel fuller for longer and won't need to eat as much. Additionally, a ketogenic diet forces your body to burn fat for energy instead of glucose. This means that you'll be in a constant state of calorie deficit, which will lead to fat loss over time. Another benefit of a ketogenic diet is improved blood sugar control. A ketogenic diet is very effective for improving blood sugar control because it reduces insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is a condition in which your body's cells don't respond properly to insulin. This causes your blood sugar levels to rise because insulin is unable to transport glucose into your cells. A ketogenic diet improves insulin sensitivity by forcing your body to burn fat for energy. When your body is in ketosis, it produces ketones which can be used by your cells for energy. This means that you won't be relying on glucose and insulin for energy, which will reduce insulin resistance and improve your blood sugar control. There are also some risks associated with a ketogenic diet that you should be aware of. One of the most common concerns is the effect of a high-fat diet on heart health. A ketogenic diet can increase your risk of heart disease if you have pre-existing heart disease or risk factors for heart disease. A high-fat diet can raise your LDL cholesterol levels, which is a risk factor for heart disease. Additionally, a ketogenic diet can increase your blood pressure, which can put additional strain on your heart. If you already have heart disease or risk factors such as high cholesterol or diabetes, a ketogenic diet may not be safe for you. It's important to speak with your doctor before starting a ketogenic diet if you have any concerns about your heart health. Another risk of a ketogenic diet is nutrient deficiencies. A ketogenic diet is very restrictive and eliminates many nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. This can lead to deficiencies in essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin D, and potassium. It's important to make sure that you're getting all the nutrients your body needs when on a ketogenic diet. You can do this by eating a variety of keto-friendly foods and taking a daily multivitamin. A ketogenic diet can also lead to constipation. A ketogenic diet is low in fiber, which can lead to constipation. Fiber is found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, all of which are eliminated on a ketogenic diet. To prevent constipation, make sure to drink plenty of water and get regular exercise. You can also try taking a daily fiber supplement. It's also important to note that a ketogenic diet is not a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person may not work for another. It's important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. If you're feeling hungry or fatigued, you may need to increase your fat intake. If you're having digestive issues, you may need to increase your fiber intake. Overall, the ketogenic diet can be a great way to lose weight and improve your health. It can lead to rapid fat loss and improved blood sugar control. However, it's not without its risks. A ketogenic diet can increase your risk of heart disease, lead to nutrient deficiencies, and cause constipation. If you're considering a ketogenic diet, make sure to weigh the risks and benefits carefully. Speak with your doctor if you have any concerns, and make sure to monitor your body closely for any negative effects. As mentioned earlier, a ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate-protein, low-carbohydrate diet. This means that the majority of your daily calories will come from fat sources such as avocados, olive oil, and nuts. Protein should make up a moderate amount of your diet, such as fish, chicken, and eggs. Carbohydrates should be kept low and only account for a small percentage of your daily calories. This means cutting out foods like bread, pasta, and rice. To start a ketogenic diet, you need to first determine your daily calorie intake. You can use an online calculator to determine your daily calorie needs based on your age, sex, activity level, and weight loss goals. Once you know your daily calorie intake, you can start to plan your meals. A general rule of thumb is to consume 70% of your calories from fat, 20% of your calories from protein, and 10% of your calories from carbohydrates. When planning your meals, make sure to include a variety of keto-friendly foods. Some great options for breakfast include eggs, bacon, and avocado toast. For lunch, try salads with grilled chicken or fish. For dinner, you could have salmon with roasted vegetables. Make sure to also include snacks in your daily plan, such as almonds or a keto-friendly protein bar. It's also important to stay hydrated when on a ketogenic diet. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to prevent dehydration. You can also drink unsweetened tea or coffee. Avoid sugary drinks and alcohol, as these will kick you out of ketosis. Following these tips can help you transition to a ketogenic diet more smoothly and make it easier to stick to long term. Remember that everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. If you're feeling hungry or fatigued, you may need to increase your fat intake. If you're having digestive issues, you may need to increase your fiber intake. If you want to learn more about the ketogenic diet, there are many resources available online and in libraries. You can also talk to your doctor or registered dietitian for more information. The ketogenic diet can be a great way to lose weight and improve your health, but it's important to follow it correctly to avoid any potential risks. By following the tips above, you can set yourself up for success on a ketogenic diet. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope that you've learned something new and that you're feeling inspired to take control of your health. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. And remember, you don't have to do this alone. There are people who care about you and want to help you succeed. So reach out to friends, family, or professionals for support and guidance along the way. Wishing you all the best on your journey to a healthier, happier you.